Kumno perang apa yang subhab yang ipi sa YouTube channel juga English with Rudy. Hakani ke video ngin ïohjinghikai halor kai English conversation. Bangin page kumno ban kren habang idon ha ka restaurant. Habang English kuno restaurant ngin ban kenmau ba ka jingkren jungi ka diban long ka basai but ka balong polite. Hakani ke video ngin hikai ipi kumno ban pan ka menu kumno ban kren ni waiter but kum ta ter. Ti ali mentang ni page kumno ban kren habapidon ha ka restaurant. Mudur bapi kwa ban lej sya ka way ka restaurant. Tangba kadai ka restaurant ka bapa onam ba bat bon ki breu ki lej sta. Man bapi lej phim juyo jaka shong. Ti phin le kumno. Phin hab ban le ya ka reservation. Laj na katapan lada phi la yo jaka shong ru. Phi hab ban nang ban order ka bam. Nang tapat lada phi kwa AA ne phi mut ban pan AA ru. Phi hab ban nang kumno ban kren ya waiter. Hakani ka video ngin hikai phi yakini ki tylli ki rukom ban kren ha ka restaurant. Sa ha ka way pat ka video ka bangan sa upload hadien ngan hikai phi kumno ban pan ya ka bill, kumno ban complain, bat kumno ban yero haba ka bam ka bang. Ti ali mentang in page shwa kumno ban le ya ka reservation. Ka reservation phila ban le ha ka phone lani lada phidon por phila ban le cha ka restaurant bat ban kren ya u lani ya ka manager lani receptionist. Kidon lain tili ki sentence ki ba phila ban penun kam haba phi le eka reservation. Ti lada phi kwa ban ong nga kwa ban le reservation phin ong I would like to make a reservation. Lada phi kwa ban ya thu ya u lani eka receptionist ba phila deb le alpa eka reservation phila ban ong we have a reservation under the name but ha ka keteng jongno phile reservation. Lada phi kwa ban le reservation nakabanta arngut phin ong a table for two please. Ali mentang in practice kumno ban le reservation haga restaurant. Shubo la shai phi mut ban le bam hakawai ka restaurant tangba phi kwa ban reserve lapa khnang ban suk ban yo jaka shong. Ti phin le chaka restaurant inda phi poi hangta phin ong kumno yi counter attendant. Phin ong, I'd like to make a reservation. I counter attendant pat in ong yapi. Of course. For how many people? Lada phi kwa kaway kajakashong nakabanta saungut. Phin ong kumno? Phin ong, a table for 4 please. Hadian pat I counter attendant in glee and under what name should I make the reservation? Lada phi kwa ban le ka reservation ha ka kerteng jong Stephanie le se. Phin ong kumno? Phin ong under the name Stephanie. Nang tapat in sakali phi at what time are you planning to come? Phin jawab kumno lada phi kwa ban wan shibaji mansngi. Phin ong we will arrive at 1 p.m. Anda I counter attendant ila double reservation in saong phi your reservation is done. But phin ong kumno yi? Thank you. Hakasni ka bawan pat phi lech ka restaurant but anda phi rung phi akendu but I counter attendant. Phi kwa ban ong ba phi la deb le reservation ha ka kerteng jong Stephanie. Phin ong we have a reservation under the name Stephanie. I counter attendant in ong right this way. Would you like a table by the window? Phin jawab kumno? Yes, please. Thank you. Ali matang in page kumno ban order bam ha ka restaurant. Kidon hendriut lagi sentence kiba phi la ban penon kam haba phi kwa ban order bam. Kapaning kong can I see the menu please? Kani phin penon kam haba phi pan ya ka menu. Kabaar what are today's specials? Kani kamut don jingbam kerpang ayu kaba phi la pan kre mata kasngi. Kabalai what do you recommend? Kamut, ay jingmut lem mapi, kaingan order. Hakapor ba order pan, pila ban ong? I'll have the chicken sandwich. Pila ban ong? I would like to have a chicken sandwich, please. Ka sentence kabasan, could I have a pav bhaji without onions? Pila ban ong kumni lada pikwa ban order bam, klem kinu kikenja jingber ne jingta. Lada pikwa ban song yaka bam, pila ban ong? Can I get this to go? Lani pila ban ong? Can you pack this please? Ali mentangin penun kami kini baro ha ka conversation practice. Enda pila syong unwan waiter But unong yapi, can I get you started with something to drink? Lada pikwa ban pan tang ka phin ong kumno. I'd like a glass of water, please. Enda waiter unwanra unong, here you are. Tomenta pikwa ban pan ya ka menu phin ong kumno. Can I see the menu, please? Pilar unong, can I have the menu, please? Nang tapat waiter unai ya ka menu, but unong, yes, here you are. Enda pilamut ban order, waiter on kelishwa napi. What would you like to order? Pinong kumno lada pikwa ban bam, let's say vegetable stir fry. Pinong, I will have the vegetable stir fry, please. Lada pikwa let's say pasta, tang ba pim kwa cheese ha pasta jong pi. Pinong kumno, could I have the pasta without cheese? Shubu pim sngo nang jiet ka pikwa ban bam. But pikwa ban pan jing mut na waiter. Pinong kumno, I am not sure. What do you recommend? Waiter pat unong, I would suggest the grilled chicken. It's quite delicious. Lada pi shim ya ka suggestion jung but pi order ka grilled chicken. Pinong kumno, all right, I will have the grilled chicken then. Nda pila deb order, waiter barabor ujupan tikna ya ka order jong pi. Hakani ka conversation unong. So that's one vegetable stir fry, one pasta without cheese, and one grilled chicken. Shubu ka unong hoy kabyang. Kanu por kan shim. Pinong kumno ha ka English. That's right. How long will it take? Wait apat unong, it will take about 10 minutes. Lada piko aban pasong pade, pinong kumno. Can I get this to go? Lani, can you pack this please? Ali mentangin pai syaka waipat kabenta. Kabadai kumno banpan nekerpat haba pikwa AA haka restaurant. Ngin pe shua ya south ligi senten kibale se phila ban penon kam. Kabadingkong. Excuse me, can I get some water? Kabamut, ngala ban yo Kabaar, could you get us some extra napkins? Kabamut, pila ban wanra shu ki napkin yangi. Shubo let's say pidon allergy. Pila ban ong kumni. I'm allergic to peanuts, so please make sure not to add it to the food. Kamut, ngadon allergy ya shana budam. Tikan ma bapin shet lang hakabam. Tung in practice ikini. Ladeh pigo aban pan pinong kumno. Excuse me, can I get some water? I waitress pade inong? Of course, right away. Shubu piko napkin shu pinong kumno. Could you also get us some extra napkins? To mata shubu piko aban pan ni kabil pinong kumno. Kani kanya stream but katu ka sentence kabal adep. Pinong, could we have the bill please? To sakaway pat. Lada pikwa ban ong pishim jingsiu daka credit card. Pinong kumno. To ikani but bun kiway pat ki sentence ngan sahikai ha ka video kabangan sa upload hadin. Tikum no pisungo halor kani ïohjinghikai sungo haban batay nga hagi comments room. But sungo haban kadmao ban like, share, but subscribe ika channel jo nga. Mentang kasing tang kani kublish bun ngin say kendo pat.